Hey guys, Hammer's my name. Welcome to Timber and Stone Let's Play. Yeah. It's Monday, I think. So, have a good Monday. Yeah. So, okay. When we left off, oh, all the small trees are going back again. Oh, so cute. Now, oh, I had guys somewhere. Guys, where are you? There's one guy, and there's another guy in a field of dead skeletons. Holy crap! How many did I kill? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Holy Jesus! I better check if there's like, just in case I missed anything. Like, look at this. Holy Jesus! That's a battlefield right there. What about over here? Is that fine? Yeah, that's fine. That's all safe. Okay. Is that really 11 skeletons? 5, 9, 10, 11? Yeah. Wait. Oh, that was a chicken, but there's the one there, so it's okay. So now, let me check those levels. This guy should go train, because he's almost level 5, and I already have a target. So we can go there, and I can tell him to train once he get there. That's good. And then this guy, he's almost level 5 as well, so he is my... That wasn't my forager. Who the hell is my forager? Who's this? This is a farmer. I don't need him to farm right now. I already have one. That's fine. Who the hell is my forager? Oh, that's my woodchopper. Where the hell is my woodchopper? He was over here just a second ago. There he is. Okay, good. Okay, how much wood do I have? I have plenty wood. It's okay, I can make him a forager. But he isn't a forager. Who the hell is my forager? Like, if this guy isn't my forager, is this my forager? No, that's my miner. Where the hell is my forager? Oh, it's my blacksmith. That's right. I always forget. Yeah. Oh Jesus. So this guy, what level is he? Okay, when he gets level 9, I'll make him a forager because my food is dropping a bit. Whoa, there's a lot of ingots right there. Let me just... No, it's fine. Okay, so how much do I need to mine? Like, what? Really? Only 2 blocks left? Well, then there's the sand thing over here, but that's weird. The thing is though, I think enemies can actually walk on water. So, like the same reason these can walk on water. It has been fixed though. I think for the new release, whenever that arrives. We could use a new release soon. Not that I want to break the save, but I just know there's some good things on the way. And I really want to play with them. Did this guy start training? No, why aren't you training? Oh, okay, you are training now. Good. Now, don't you dare walk in front of him. Okay, you'll stand there. Structures, military, training dummy. I can actually make one of these. I'll make it right there. Who is building that? Oh, I need 2 rope. Oh. More rope. There we go. I don't have enough to make more rope, so that sucks. But I don't need this guy as a miner, whatever he was. Farmer. It's not important that he farms. Whoa, that's a lot of arrows, though. Level 5 archer. Awesome, good. Now go back to being miner. That was, yeah. Where are you going? Oh, there's mining stuff in here. Do you have a ladder equipped? Yeah, you do. I need to find a place to get more dirt, because look at this. I should probably just go mine something over here. So yeah, I'll just kill off this. And I'll save that tree, just because I don't want to be cruel unnecessarily. So I'll do like this. See, that's nice. The little tree has a little platform to live on. And then I'll just kill all this. These two as well, just because. No, I like them. They can stay. And then I'm just mumbling. There we go, that's plenty of dirt. That should do it. Whoa, lag. Whoa. Oh, it's getting dusk. Oh, damn it. I don't like the darkness. This guy, I don't need you to be right. Go over there. Really? I can't give you a move order. You can't move on a block that he's mining. Jesus fuck, that's ridiculous. There we go. Much better. Now, this guy is getting dirt now, just a tiny bit. I have plenty of stone, I have plenty of wood, I have a good amount of food, though it's not the best, and I really want my... Did my wood chopper level up already? Oh, that's my blacksmith I wanted to level up. Oh, but now he's almost to... Oh. I'll just wait then. That's okay, I guess. He's got plenty of things queued up. Like, look at this. Holy crap. Lots of materials. I should get attacked really soon, actually. This is pretty bad. I should also, like, build more cobblestone things, because I have a lot of cobblestone. So might as well just be like, yo bro, look at this. So build, do I want it to be too tall? Yeah, it should be too tall. There we go. So now this one gets tricky because I need to build a scaffolding to every part of this diagonal wall, which really suck. Or maybe I can avoid it. Like, I don't know. Whoops, I forgot to click up arrow. There we go. Queuing up a lot of work for the night, so they can just do whatever they want. For 20 minutes. Because hey, why play the game for 20 minutes? Nah, I'm just being annoying. Why aren't you working anymore, dude, bro? What? So you received some dirt and now you decided to... What? You are retarded. Ooh, a new migrant. Matthew Brossard. Level 4 carpenter, engineer, miner level 2, no equipment. I do have 2 decent carpenters. And I don't really need an engineer. So, and he's useless for pretty much everything, so I'll deny that one. Oh, the game paused. Go away. Because I'd rather have someone who actually have levels in something that is useful. Also, since my food is actually dropping because I don't have my forager working. But I will soon enough. I'll have to end the episode once he's done leveling up. And then I'll have another episode completely filled with darkness. Yay! Yay! That is super annoying. At least, it's not a problem that it's super dark, it's a problem that it takes so long. Like 20 minutes, that's too long. I think it's 1/3 of the day cycle is actually completely darkness. That's an issue. I'm just saying. So, and music arrives. Dum 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 dum. Dum dum da dum dum da ba dum bum. Is that a waltz? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. I think it is. It could be. Let's dance. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, world map dancing. Da 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 da. That is how. That is when I have no friends, or something. Okay, so he's getting along nicely with the wall over there. Build. I'm running out of cobblestone. I need more cobblestone. This one, and make crap ton of cobblestone. Yes. I'll just make 200. That'll be fine. I need hammers. There we go. Stone hammer. Make 10. And stone axe. No, I have plenty of stone axe. Stone pickaxe. Make 5. Are you leveled up soon? Yeah, you are. That's good. Dum 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 dum. 1 or 2 more ingots and he's leveled up. I should. Come on. Yay, good. Now go be a forager. Forage things. Thank you. Hunting knife. Good. Perfect. Okay, I'll have to end the episode now, so I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you have a great Monday and a great week, and I will see you guys next time. That would be tomorrow, I think. So yeah, bye.